Ikaw, nagkakaproblema ka sa girls?
It's no secret.
Yan
So,
kasi.
the last, before I came to the Philippines, 2 girls I liked. Like really, not just crush, but I really liked them. And when I was 13 or 14, I really liked a girl. And I liked her so much, I only focused on her and I nearly failed the school year. I asked her out on a date one time. And I was so excited. I asked her out on Saturday and then the next Friday. So the whole, next Friday was the date. So the whole week I was preparing.
And then, it didn't push through.
No, we went, and then it was all right. It was okay, but we went to a restaurant, and then I said, I'll pay. And she said,
13?
no.
You were 13?
14.
14? Tapos
Yeah.
lumalabas ka na?
Yeah.
May pera ka na noon?
When I went to pay, she said, no, it's not a date. Patay na. The paper rose, like a tissue paper rose. I looked it up on YouTube how to make it. And I made it for her inside the restaurant, in front of her. And I gave it to her and she's like, I was like, "Ay, no." So,
Anong kinukwento niya? Hindi ko na rin nasundan. Dire-diretso na kasi yung English. Nahirapan na din ako talaga. But that's so cool. You have to go through it. You have to experience that. That's part of growing up. Di ba? Yun ang nagpapasaya sa sa kabataan natin,
Opo.
Hindi masarap yung lagi mo nakukuha yung gusto mo, di ba, Maymay?
Opo.
Ang sarap kaya nung yung ang dami mong gusto, tapos hindi mo nakukuha, tapos biglang one time, big time, ang sarap-sarap nun, di
Opo,
ba?
sobra.
Parang ikaw, naisip mo bang mapapanood ka sa TV?
Hindi po. Noon, hindi. Kasi nag-audition ako noon.